Are you looking for best brick chisels? Brick chisels are indispensable tools for masonry work, enabling precise cutting, shaping, and removal of bricks, stones, and other materials. Whether you're a professional mason or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right chisel can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your work. This comparative review evaluates 5 popular brick chisels ranging from budget to premium options. Productman Max Power 3-piece masonry chisel set. The Max Power 3-piece masonry chisel set offers a comprehensive solution for masonry tasks, including an 11-inch point chisel, flat chisel, and an 8-inch brick chisel, all equipped with thick handguards for safety. Priced at $40.84, this premium set is designed for heavy-duty applications, making it ideal for professionals who require versatility and durability in their tools. The chisels are constructed from high-quality forged steel, ensuring long-term wear resistance and sharpness. In our testing, the Max Power chisels excelled in handling tough materials, such as concrete and dense bricks, with minimal wear on the cutting edges. The ergonomic handguards provided excellent protection during prolonged use, reducing fatigue and the risk of injury. However, the set's higher price point may deter casual users or those on a budget. Additionally, the chisel's weight, while beneficial for durability, may be cumbersome for lighter tasks. Product number 2. League Heavy-Duty Masonry Chisel. The 2 League Heavy-Duty Masonry Chisel is an 8-inch brick chisel with built-in hand protection, priced at $18.99. Designed for durability and ease of use, this chisel features a robust steel blade and a comfortable handle guard to prevent hand injuries during operation. Its compact size makes it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY users tackling smaller masonry projects. During testing, the 2 League chisel performed admirably on medium-density bricks and stones, offering clean cuts with minimal effort. The handguard was effective in reducing vibration and protecting the user, although it could feel slightly restrictive for those with larger hands. While it lacks the versatility of a multi-piece set, its affordability and solid construction make it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. Product number: Rhythm Chisel Set with Hand Protection. The Rhythm Chisel Set includes 3 masonry tools: an 11-inch point chisel, flat chisel, and an 8-inch brick chisel, all equipped with handguards for safety. Priced at $32.99, this mid-range set balances affordability and functionality, catering to users who need a versatile toolkit without breaking the bank. The chisels are made from hardened steel for reliable performance and durability. In practice, the Rhythm chisels provided consistent cutting results on various materials, including bricks, stones, and concrete. The handguards were comfortable and effective, though not as robust as those on the Max Power set. While the price is reasonable for a multi-piece set, the chisels showed minor signs of wear after extended use on harder materials, indicating they may not be ideal for heavy-duty applications. Product number: Crescent 4 inches by 7.5-inch brick chisel CBCH40. The Crescent CBCH40 is a budget-friendly brick chisel priced at $14.49. With a 4-inch blade and a compact design, this chisel is best suited for light-duty masonry tasks and occasional use. Its simple construction and affordability make it an attractive option for DIY enthusiasts or users with minimal masonry experience. When tested, the Crescent CBCH40 performed adequately on soft bricks and lightweight materials, though it struggled with tougher substrates. Its lack of a handguard and basic design may not appeal to users seeking advanced features or safety enhancements. Despite these limitations, its low price and straightforward functionality make it a practical choice for basic masonry needs. Product 5. Crescent 3-inch x 8.5-inch brick chisel with handguard CBCH30H. The Crescent CBCH30H is a mid-range brick chisel priced at $17.49, featuring a 3-inch blade and an integrated handguard for added safety. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it suitable for precision work and smaller masonry projects. The chisel is constructed from durable steel, ensuring reliable performance for its price point. In testing, the Crescent CBCH30H delivered clean cuts on medium-density materials and proved comfortable to use for extended periods. The handguard was effective in reducing vibration and protecting the user, though it may not be as durable as those on higher-end models. While it lacks the versatility of a multi-piece set, it offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality for casual users.